Want to use Apple Pay on your Apple Watch? I'll guide you through the steps so you can pay quickly and securely without reaching for your phone or wallet. Before we get into the procedure, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Now first, to activate Apple Pay on your watch, simply double-press the side button. This action will bring up your Apple Wallet, showing all the cards you've previously added. Just tap the card you want to use, and once it's selected, your watch is ready to make a payment. To complete the transaction, hold your watch close to any NFC-enabled payment terminal or POS machine. When you feel a gentle tap and hear a beep, that means your payment went through successfully. No need to pull out your phone or cash. If you haven't added a card to Apple Pay yet, don't worry. Setting it up is straightforward. Start by opening the Wallet app on your iPhone. Look for the plus icon in the top right corner and tap it to add a new card. You'll be prompted to choose debit or credit card. At this point, you can either hold your physical card near the iPhone so it can scan the details automatically, or enter them manually if you prefer. After adding the card, the system will verify it, and once that's complete, the card will automatically be available on your Apple Watch as long as Apple Pay is enabled on the watch itself. This means you only need to set it up once on your iPhone, and you'll be ready to pay hands-free anytime using your watch. With Apple Pay on your Apple Watch, checking out at stores becomes quick and convenient. No need to fumble for your wallet or phone. Just a couple of taps and a quick wave of your wrist at the payment terminal, and you're done. It's safe, secure, and perfect for those moments when you want to keep things simple and fast. Give it a try and enjoy the ease of paying with just your Apple Watch. See you soon in the next one.